So I have here my replacement box for the crushed order that I got 2 weeks ago. I asked Kelly just to send me replacements for the mini bow because the new growths on that were strangely wobbly, so they weren't actually attached, they were broken under the sheets. They were just still with the plant. But this box is really large to be holding just 2 mini bows. So I just want to give a shout out to Kelly because she has the most amazing customer service. I have to say that I know that the cerulean that I bought for her, the cerulean clandier, all its new growths did die. So that new growth that I showed in the video didn't make it. It turned black. It's very sad. I don't know if it's gonna live, but it's a one-off. It's a division of one of her own plants, and there is no replacement for that. But she has allowed me to ask to be on a wait list should she ever divide another one of her cerulean clandier. I'm looking for one with a lot of division, like pseudobulbs, a division with a lot of pseudobulbs on it so that it will live. But this is more than I asked for actual replacement. So really, Kelly's great, and if you don't buy from High Desert Orchids, you really should. So I am gonna, yes, I think she may have sent me replacements for all the plugs. So I actually don't know what's in this box. I had to tell Kelly about this disaster when she was at Tamiami, and I felt really bad, but I was really horrified when that box came in all crushed, and I just wanted to share it and just say, oh my God, and just because I didn't want to, I don't know, I was afraid if I didn't, and we'd be like, oh well, see how it's going. I don't know. I guess I shouldn't have worried because Kelly's amazing, and she wouldn't have let me hang there. So one of the things that happened is, I guess I bought plugs, and they were plugs when I bought them, but since then she has potted them up, she said. So it looks like she sent me a whole bunch of plants in pots. So this is the Lily Eleorii, S.C. Buford, right here. And of course, she does a much better job potting than I ever could. Nice firm growths. We're gonna hope that Pinto stays out of this room while I do this unboxing, because he's a little orchid barracuda. Okay, so these are all newly potted. This is another Lily Eleorii S.C. Buford. Small. And anything in this box is great. So even if I make little commentary about their size and stuff, that's just an opinion. It's not a bad opinion necessarily. I mean, the plugs that she sent me were much larger, so I'm mostly assuming that originally she sold the bigger ones, not expecting that the U.S. Postal Service would crush that box like a pancake. Okay, so this is Mini Pet by Buford. I believe this is the mini bows. Oh, this is the mini bows. Also been potted up. Oh, they're not really in there. Let me press on it. Yeah, she always does a much better job than I do at potting. So this is Angel Eyes by Virginia Dickey. So she had this huge fire sale, that's $5 plug sale, and then I don't even know if she had enough leftovers to send me replacements for 2 mini bows. All right, so this is a mini apricot by S.C. Buford. Oh, it's so red. I love it when they get close to her lights and they turn red. This is another mini apricot. Yeah, so this is more than just, hey, can you send me 2 replacement mini bows? I can't pop these without pulling these poor little, because they're not established. I'm sure she wasn't expecting to sell these. These are just the last minute replacements. So they're, when I pull the stuffing out, they want to come out of the pot. And then in here is Angel's Fantasy by Dreamcatcher and another Angel's Fantasy by Dreamcatcher. So, look pretty good. Oh, yeah, they just really want to come out because it's freshly potted. Those roots aren't attached to anything yet. You can tell. Whoa. Oh God, Pinto's here on the floor. I better end this unboxing quick and put my stuff up on shelves before Pinto decides to jump up and have a snack. Okay, so this is the other Angel's Fantasy. So I'll just have to probably shake out this one a little bit and re-push it into the bark. There we go. All right, so that is my replacement order, and I am reminded that I did not log on to Kelly's website at 3 p.m. Eastern and get, she's gotten a Clandier cross that I wanted this week. So I'm gonna go do that now. So no, I missed it. I wanted the Catalan Memoria Bluey, which is Clandier cross to Granulosa. And I missed the opening of sales by 3 hours. And I had asked her last night and she said she only had 4. And so I missed it. I definitely missed it. They're all sold now, out now. So, darn.